her statement. But before that happens, we now want to bring in my colleague Kevin Ogutu joining us from Siaya County. And of course, there are a lot of preparations that are currently ongoing to welcome the former U.S. President Barack Obama. Kevin Ogutu, talk to us about the kind of preps that are currently taking place there.
A very good morning, Betty. Actually, we are coming to you live from the Deputy Governor's office. We're talking about the Deputy Governor of Kisumu County, of Siaya County, sorry for that matter, Dr. James Okumbe. And so we are expecting the visit by immediate former U.S. President Barack Obama right here in Siaya County, where he will be in Kogelo to officially open Sauti Kuu Foundation. So we've had quite a number of preparations ahead of this great day, given that as he promised that he will come at the end of his second term in office. This is actually the first time we'll be seeing him in Siaya County, and of course Kisumu County as well, given that he will be landing at the Kisumu International Airport on Monday before heading here. So the two counties have been quite significant. They've made a number of strides regarding this particular important visit. With yesterday, Kisumu County saying that they will be beaming the entire arrival and the event at Kogelo on Monday live for the residents to actually watch from Jomo Kenyatta Sports Ground. So, which is given the significance of the visit. And so, other than that, we've had security details doing what they can, despite not being able to divulge much regarding the preparations, but from the sources that we have, security have been beefed in Siaya County and more particularly in Kogelo area where the event will be taking place. And so, having said what the Kisumu County government has promised so far, of course, the Deputy Governor, Dr. owili, yesterday also mentioned that this particular visit is quite key to the Lake Region Economic Bloc and urge the business community to come in and tap into the potential so provided by this visit. So right here with me, I have Dr. James Okumbe, who is the Deputy Governor of Siaya County. Sorry for being in Kisumu too much. I keep confusing the two. And I will be asking him what probably the Siaya County government is putting in place regarding this particular visit and probably the expectations that goes with it. So, Dr. Karibu, welcome to KTN News. Probably highlight a sneak preview into what we have so far regarding this particular visit.
Yes, first of all, I want to take this opportunity to say that Siaya County government welcomes everybody else, whether national or internationally, to come for this event that is scheduled to take place on the 16th of July 2018. He's our son. We know he's coming here to witness the opening of the sports facilities at Nyangoma Kogelo. We know it is a private function, but we have to welcome him as our son. So we are requesting and appealing to all Kenyans to join us in welcoming this hero into our land. He had promised that after the completion of his term, he will be coming back home, and we are happy and delighted that he's coming back home as he had promised. We've been working closely with Sauti Kuu, and we have to commend Sauti Kuu, headed by Dr. Obama, for the work that she has done so far to ensure that the youth and the communities, livelihoods are being changing because of the sporting activities that she has brought here and the resource center that she has constructed that will improve the lives of our people. So we are very happy, and we'll be working in collaboration with her moving forward after the grand opening by the 44th President of the United States and the first Black American President. We have done a few structures, especially in terms of infrastructure, the road networks. Very little, not very much, but minimal, just to ensure that he can be able to get to Sauti Kuu, and also for people to go to their home in Nyangoma Kogelo to see the grandmother, who is none other than Mama Sarah Obama. So we are very happy that we have communicated with the security details from the national government, and we know there will be enough security. We also have an intention as a county government Our intention is clear, so this is something that we cannot shy away from, given the fact that every time when we talk about leadership, it must also go with the development. So we are having an intention to partner with Maseno University so that we can have a constituent college that very soon will make our intention very clear, formal and official, to ensure that we can formulate partnership with the honor of President Barack Obama to come up with President Obama University, if he allows us to do so. So this is something that's in the plan, and we are having a serious intent, and very soon we are going to have proper partnership and serious engagement on the same. I just wanted to take this opportunity to also tell the whole world that because he's coming here as a private visit, and because he will be here and all eyes will be looking at him, will be focused on us, that any networking system that we are going to initiate here, it should be able to spread to other counties and also to all over the world. So we'll be able to have proper networking. Okay. We have so far also communicated with the family members, we have communicated with the national government, and we are appealing to everybody to help us share and give out all our love to this hero who is coming here, who is our son.
Thank you so much, Dr. That is it from Siaya County Deputy Governor, Dr. James Okumbe, being very candid there, Betty, because as is mentioned, we have a university in honor of President Barack Obama in the pipeline. So we will, of course, be keeping an eye on that and hoping that actually it materializes. And of course, Betty, this being the host county, we expect a flurry of activities. Of course, we expect a bit of upsurge in the business here and the environment. So from my end, Betty, that is all we have for you right now.